How to fix Instagram story not uploading. This tutorial walks through the most common reasons a story gets stuck and how to get it posted. First, open the Instagram app icon on your Android device. From there, check your internet connection by swiping down to open the quick panel and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, try uploading the story again to see if the connection was the issue. At this point, if it's still not uploading, check the file itself, since very large videos or unsupported formats can sometimes fail to upload properly. Following this, try trimming the video shorter or switching to a photo instead to see if it goes through. From here, if that doesn't work, long press the Instagram app icon from your home screen or app drawer and tap App Info. At this stage, tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache to clear out any temporary files that could be interfering with the upload. Following this, reopen Instagram and attempt the story upload once more. If it's still stuck, go back into App Info and tap Force Stop to fully close the app, then tap OK to confirm. From here, relaunch Instagram and try posting again after giving it a moment to reload. Finally, if none of that works, open the Play Store, search for Instagram, and install the update if one is available, since an outdated app version can sometimes block uploads entirely. That's how you fix Instagram story not uploading. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!